Hi. So, if I put in effort, I feel like I'm trying too hard, and if I don't, I feel like I'm not doing enough. So, no matter what I do, I still don't feel good enough. Bro, I don't know who needs to hear this, but the minute you feel like, you know what, today I want to look like a tota and go out, apply a full face makeup, wear a cheeky outfit, jewelries, ball, etc., etc., and suddenly जब तुम mirror देखते हो, all of a sudden that feeling sinks in कि जो मैंने दिमाग में सोचा था about this outfit, about this look, वैसा मेरा face लग रहा नहीं है. My skin is not skinning and I'm looking uggo. Uggo means ugly. It sounded like Marathi wala uggo na uggo ite ye. But anyway, that's what I'm feeling right now, and I know, and I was like, you know what, I'm pretty sure मेरे से और 10,000 लोग ये same feeling feel करते होंगे. So as I do get ready with me and I don't know whatever the hell I'm gonna do with my face, let's talk about it. I just realized मैंने तुम लोगों को welcome ही नहीं किया. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. आज के episode में एक और mini breakdown होने वाला है where I'm gonna blend makeup into my trauma. Also, as I'm doing this get ready with me जो भी कर रही हूँ मैं, I'm gonna talk about the products I'm using. So I'm using this Excella Cipla moisturizer. You all might have, यार ये zoom क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? One second. I'm doing choo-choo as this camera will understand. I have to do this now. See, the thing is, all these things I don't know. It's not that I don't know, I kind of forgot. And this feeling na, it's not कि अभी अचानक से randomly ये feeling मेरे दिमाग में आ रहा है. It's just that ऐसा feeling दिमाग में क्यों आता है पता है, क्योंकि बचपन से वो एक conditioning हुआ गया. Like for example, when you dress up and you go out, right? And all of a sudden कुछ महान चंटाल लोग रहते देख के बोलेंगे, oh my god, तू इतना ready होके आ रही है. मैं तो कुछ ready हुई नहीं, मैं तो naturally इतनी हूर पर ही दिख रही है. एंड देन ऑल ऑफ अ सडन यू फील लाइक, ओ माय गॉड, मैं इतना रेडी क्यों हुई, यू नो. लाइक मेरे सामने आई हैव हर्ड, लाइक यू नो, एक बार यू नो मेरी एक फ्रेंड, शी वाज वेयरिंग दीस गॉर्जियस इयररिंग्स. ओके, आई एम यूजिंग दिस प्राइमर फ्रॉम Maybelline. ओके, शी वाज वेयरिंग दिस गॉर्जियस इयररिंग्स. ओके, एंड सबका ध्यान उसकी इयररिंग में गया. एवरीबडी स्टार्टेड पिन पॉइंटिंग इट, ना ऐसा मजाक में वो ऐसा यू नो टॉन्ट मार के बोलना कि ओ माय गॉड, लाइक यू नो क्या इतना रेडी होके आई है, क्या तेरा शादी है, एंड एवरीथिंग. एंड द नेक्स्ट टाइम शी डिडंट इवन वेयर दोस इयररिंग्स, यू नो. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. सो वो एक फियर मन में बैठता है कि यार रेडी तो मुझे होना है, अच्छा तो दिखना है. एंड काइंड ऑफ एक और चीज मन में आती है कि यार माँ चुदाई दुनिया, लाइक आई कैन वेयर व्हाटएवर द फक आई वांट. बट थोड़ा थोड़ा आता है यार. नो मैटर हाउ सिक्योर यू बिकम, नो मैटर हाउ मच यू ग्रो, हाउ मच थेरेपी यू सीखो, थोड़ा बहुत इनसिक्योरिटी, थोड़ा बहुत कॉन्शियसनेस होता ही. अगर नहीं होता तो प्लीज टीच मी हाउ करके. आई नो अभी शाम का टाइम है, तुम लोग मुझे पूछोगे तो सनस्क्रीन क्यों डाल रही है, बट ये ना मैंने किसी यूट्यूबर का एक हैक देखा था that whenever, because I sweat a lot, okay, like जब मैं जिम भी जाती हूँ, किधर भी जाती हूँ, I sweat like a freaking pig. तो ये यूट्यूबर ने बोला कि प्राइमर के ऊपर सनस्क्रीन डालने का, स्पेशली जेल बेस्ड सिलिकॉन बेस्ड सनस्क्रीन. और ये मेरा ना जेल बेस्ड सिलिकॉन बेस्ड सनस्क्रीन है, तो उससे क्या होता है, मेकअप ना मस्त थोबड़े पे चिपकता है. एंड देन नो मैटर हाउ मच यू आर स्वेटिंग, योर स्किन स्टिल लुक्स फ्लॉलेस. ओके, एंड समटाइम्स एक और मैं इंसिडेंट अगर बताऊँ, आई हैव प्लम्पी लिप्स, राइट. सी, सो मेरे को ना रेड लिपस्टिक्स बहुत पसंद है. ओके, सो पहले व्हेन आई वाज अ टीनेजर बहुत शौक था रेड लिपस्टिक्स ट्राई करने का एंड एवरीथिंग. सो जब मैं ट्राई करती थी, कुछ महान लोग रहते थे जो बोलते थे कि ओ माय गॉड, लिप्स इतना बड़ा दिख रहा है, रेड लिपस्टिक क्यों डाला, उसके ऊपर पिंक डालना चाहिए था, कुछ न्यूट्रल कलर डालना चाहिए था. एंड आई टू लिसन टू देम, आई टू बी लाइक, ओ माय गॉड यार, लाइक बराबर रेड लिपस्टिक डालना नहीं चाहिए. सो वो एक फीलिंग होता है. दिस इज व्हेन यू फील लाइक यू आर ड्रेसिंग टू मच. ओके, बट कभी कभी क्या होता है, व्हेन यू आई एम रियली वरीड अबाउट दिस शर्ट. ओके, बिकॉज दिस इज जस्ट अटैच्ड विद वन bow or ribbon and inside I'm wearing this beautiful bralette. सट करके ओपन हो गया ना तो फिर तो जलवा ही जलवा होगा. I don't know why I'm saying that, but yeah, so that is one thing. And sometimes when you do not dress up or you do not do any makeup or you just go looking like your usual self, पब्लिक देख के बोलेगा, और मैं यार भाई क्या हो गया तेरे को, तो ठीक है, तो मरीज लग रही है, लाइक आर यू ओके, लाइक व्हाट हैपेंड, डार्क सर्कल्स तेरे इतने क्यों है. एंड देन यू फील लाइक, ओ माय गॉड यार, मेरे को तो रेडी होके जाना चाहिए था. सो इट्स लाइक दिस माइंड इज बैटलिंग बिटवीन दीज टू थिंग्स, यू नो, कि रेडी हो ना हो, रेडी हो ना हो. आई टोटली फॉरगॉट ये सनस्क्रीन का नेम. दिस इज एक्चुअली फॉर माय एक्ने प्रोन स्किन. दिस इज फ्रॉम Ecrin or Ecran. I don't know what it's called. I'm also going to link all these products below in the description. If I don't, I'm not doing it on purpose. I genuinely forgot. Okay. हाँ, this color corrector. I just realized it's called a color corrector because ऐसा ना एक और concealer है मेरे पास, ठीक है. तो मुझे को लगता है कि इसको orange concealer बोलते हैं, उसको peach concealer बोलते हैं. I forgot what I was saying. Yeah, like social media plays a big role, you know, like when you see such flawless skin and such perfect people, you feel like, oh my god, मेरे पास ऐसा क्यों नहीं है? And about my necklines, as I was saying, मैंने actually यहाँ पे mirror रखा because I just realized I can't depend on this camera का mirror, okay? And मेरे को necklines का भी issue नहीं था, but then when I started creating content, I started getting messages like, oh my god, girl, like you have thyroid, okay? Like these necklines, they are not normal, and I actually almost believe them. Like I always do my body checkup and everything, but when these people told me that, oh, you have thyroid, I was like, oh my god, मेरे को thyroid है, thyroid है. चेक मैं चेकअप किया, नहीं है मेरे को, touch wood. Like I know how thyroid is, okay. Like some of my cousins have it, but imagine what internet made me do, right? Like a girl who was never insecure about her neck, all of a sudden she got insecure about it and she started thinking, oh my god, she has thyroid or something like that. And what I realized is this is genetics. Like my granny had it, my mom has it, and some of my maternal cousins have it. So does that mean everybody has thyroid? We have these necklines पहले से, right? Tech neck, ये neck, लौड़ा लहसुन neck, क्या क्या बोलते रहता है भाई. So that was one thing, okay, what I felt. This is from LA Pro Girl Pro. Who names their brand like that? I don't know. But anyway, it's working for me. So yeah. Another thing is what, you know, that when you grow up feeling so insecure about yourself and people keep pointing out and everything, you kind of go in like a shock mode when somebody compliments you. Like if someone says, oh my god, Sonali, you have like really pretty lips. Initially I did not believe that. Like I love your lips, it's so plumpy, like etc etc. People paid to get lips like yours. Initially मैंने believe नहीं किया क्योंकि बचपन से public में कितना मेरा lips के लिए मेरे को mock करता था कि I used to feel like shit, like are these people still mocking me? Are these people like being sarcastic, you know? Like एक मिनट. हाँ, so मेरे को ऐसा फील होता था कि are these people being sarcastic, like you know, are they mocking me or something like that? So when one feels like that, what can one do, right? Because no matter how secure you become in life, as I said earlier, no matter how secure you become in life, therapy उसी को थोड़ा बहुत insecurity रहता ही है. Nobody will feel 100% secure, okay? So in that case, what can you do? Will you cry? Will you hide from people or what? In my case, what I do, I rant with strangers online. As I'm doing my makeup, I rant, you know, and I kind of remind myself that Sonali, ये जो तेरी सुंदर आंखें है, ये सुंदर क्यूट नोज है, जिसको तो हमेशा, जिसकी वजह से तो हमेशा इनसिक्योर होते बोलिए कि कितना बड़ा नाक है, कितना बड़ा नॉस्ट्रल्स है, ये जो तेरा प्लम्पी लिप्स है, ये जो वेवी फ्रिजी हेयर है, दिस क्यूट एज एलिफेंट ईयर जो तेरे पास है, इट्स द वर्जन ऑफ यू. And this makes you this unique version of yourself, and this is not meant for this online aesthetic, all this bakchodi, you know. You have to, it's okay to be imperfect and it's okay to be flawed. Now I'm using this, it's actually a foundation, but it also has niacinamide 4%. It's L'Oreal Paris ka, I don't know how infallible. So it's actually, मैंने ये क्यों लिया था पता है क्या? क्योंकि ये थोड़ा sweat proof रहता है. So as I sweat too much, it's good, you know. So as I was saying, there are gonna be days, no matter how secure I am, no matter how confident I feel, I am gonna feel ugly, and there are gonna be days where I will feel extremely pretty, okay. Whatever the day is, I do not want what I'm feeling to stop myself from living my life. For example, आज मेरे को बहुत अजीब लग रहा था. I was feeling very ugly because I realized that in a week I'm gonna get my periods, you know. It's you're bound to have mood swings, you're bound to feel ugly or something like that. But I was like, no, you know what, I'm still gonna show up. मुझे किसने तो मेकअप करने का टाइम बोला था कि फॉरहेड पे कभी फाउंडेशन लगाने का नहीं है, एंड दैट हैज रियली बीन लाइक अ गेम चेंजर फॉर मी, बिकॉज आई हैव रियलाइज कि जब मैं फॉरहेड पे मेकअप लगाती हूँ वो प्रॉपरली ब्लेंड नहीं होता है बिकॉज ऑफ दीज फाइन लाइन्स एंड एवरीथिंग, एंड दैट लीड्स टू थोड़ा वो मेकअप बहुत ज़्यादा ब्रिकी, आई डोंट नो व्हाट्स द राइट वर्ड फॉर दैट, बट बहुत ऐसा ब्रिकी लगता है. बट आई डोंट नो, आई एम रियली इन लव विद दिस फाउंडेशन. अर्लियर आई यूज्ड टू यूज this foundation from Masaba, but I really like this. It's been almost a month since I'm using this, and बहुत ही natural, flawless, no makeup look देता है. I know now you guys will be like, तो अपने eyelashes के ऊपर भी क्यों blend कर रही है? मैं बाद में mascara use करूँगी, so it's fine. Look how beautifully this foundation has blended into my skin tone. इसलिए मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. Now you know, I'll sweat and everything, it will still look like I'm having this glowing face. Okay. Now next I'm gonna use this loose powder. It's again from Maybelline. What do you mean by again? हाँ प्राइमर मेबलिन का था, ये मेबलिन का है, फाउंडेशन लॉरियल का, ऐसे मिक्स एंड मैच करते रहने का. आई फेल्ट लाइक शिट today and still I decide to dress up, go and meet some of my favorite people, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to have a great time with them, right? It's Friday night, it's the weekend and everything. But the point is, depending on how ugly you're feeling, okay, you decide whether you want to do makeup or whether you don't want to do makeup. I felt ugly, okay, but I still felt like मुझे मेकअप करना चाहिए. सॉरी मैं ज्यादा चिल्ला के बात कर रही हूँ, नॉर्मली भी मेरा पिच बहुत हाई है, मैं और ज्यादा चिल्ला रही हूँ बिकॉज आई रियली वॉन्ट यू गाइज टू हियर मी amidst the background noise, okay? But no matter how you're feeling, dress up, show up, and just go out and meet the right kind of people when you're feeling low, okay? Because if you meet all these loudu people, you will feel more low, okay? That has happened with me. I once was feeling very low. I was very, I don't know, I think I was having some insecurity. I was thinking about some of my features, and back then, abhi ka baat nahi hai, I'm not in touch with these people. That's the beauty of me being me, you know? I cut off all the possible chutiya people from my life, you know? Because I think बहुत शांति मिलता है. बट या इफ यू आर फीलिंग लो, आई वुड से ड्रेस अप, गेट रेडी. मैं नेक पे इतना पाउडर डालती नहीं हूँ बिकॉज as you can see this neckline से फिर वो पाउडर उधर ही स्टोर होते हैं, and that looks like I don't know what to say, but that looks weird, okay? So yeah, like I would say dress up, meet the right people. मेरा फेस का मेकअप थोड़ा बहुत हो गया है, बट नाउ मुझे लाइनर डालना है. लाइनर डालना बहुत बड़ा त्रास होता है. फिर मेरे को थोड़ा सा ब्लश डालना है, मस्कारा डालना है. आई डोंट थिंक सो आई नीड टू डू माई ब्रोज टुडे. ब्रोज और ब्राउज. See, when you say eyebrow, it is brows ना, then वापस से brows. तो अभी I'm actually using this lipstick. It's from L'Oreal Paris. The shade is 120 Major Crush. 120 Major Crush. It aligns with my brown skin tone. So what I do, I don't take too much. I just दो डॉट बिकॉज इट्स अ वेरी सॉलिड कलर. दो डॉट्स here, दो डॉट here, थोड़ा बहुत. अरे यार लिप पे लिप टिंट डालना था. मेरा लिप टिंट खत्म हो गया एक्चुअली, बट थोड़ा बहुत डाल सकते हैं, तो लेट इट बी. एंड थोड़ा इधर, बिकॉज मैंने जो पगलेट जैसा मैंने मेरा मेकअप ब्लेंड किया है, मेरा आईब्रोज भी वाइट लग रहा है, एंड आई एम लुकिंग लाइक अ फॉरेनर राइट नाउ. बट या दैट्स दैट. वेयर इज माई and I just do this with my fingers. ऐसा कुछ आता नहीं है. I know I have weird hacks. Now if some makeup pro is watching my video, she's gonna go crazy or he is gonna go crazy. They'll be like, भाई तू क्या ही कर रही है, कैसा तरीके. But यार ये मेकअप मेरे को जमता है भाई. I mean I feel it suits my skin. It's easier for me. So again, I'm not a pro. I do what works for me. I'm open for feedbacks and suggestions. So yeah, that's how I'm feeling today. I think so you know what I realized when I started this video, I was feeling more low, I was feeling more ugly, but as I got dressed up, as I applied some makeup, I felt better. Now once I apply liner, मेरा confidence level और 100% बढ़ता है. So another pro tip would be identify your feature, identify what can enhance your feature. Now earlier एक ऐसा टाइम था जब मुझे लाइनर डालने आता ही नहीं था. मैं इतना लाइनर डालती थी, but then I realized that for my doe eyes, if I learn to apply liner properly, it will enhance my doe eyes, it will make my eyes pop up in the best way. So I started that, and जब मैं लाइनर डालती हूँ I feel more confident, and जब मैं नहीं डालती हूँ I still feel good, but I feel like my eyes is nanga. So now, oh god, this is one major task, liner डालना. And anybody, a couple of you guys, not much because I'm not that famous now, but couple of you guys asked me for my liner tutorial, so I'm gonna do that. Actually right now I'm using this liner from Blue Heaven. ये अभी recently use करने लग गई. पहले I used to use one from Lakme, वो ऐसा triangle वाला liner आता था. For some reason they don't sell that anymore. I don't know why, because that has been my best friend since years. Okay, I don't know why I decided to take this as a long sleeve. तो मैं क्या पूरा टाइम वहाँ पे इवेंट में ऐसे से करके बैठूं, but let's do that. अब मेरा कैसा है, मैं usually wing liner करती हूँ. First you have to understand the shape of your eyes and do it accordingly. Now if you see my eyes, इधर थोड़ा सा गैप है, so I kind of do like that. ऐसा पहले एक लाइन करती हूँ, फिर यहाँ से कनेक्ट करती हूँ, फिर अंदर फिल इन करती हूँ. Okay, I'll show you how to do that. Now as I'm applying liner, I may not be able to talk that much, so bear with me. Okay, I'll show you एक आइस का, because दोनों आँखें दिखाऊंगी तो you all might exit the video and I don't want that. This is like make or break, okay? दोनों साइड का कनेक्ट होना चाहिए. First मैं ऐसा करती हूँ. Should I pull it और आगे? Can I pull the mirror और आगे? You can see, right? Yeah. ऐसा लाइन मारो, लड़कों पे नहीं, आँखों पर लाइन मारो। लड़कों पे भी मार सकते हो बट अच्छे लड़कों पे मारना। सो अभी इतना पार्ट हो गया, इफ यू कैन सी। अभी बस यहाँ से आई विल कनेक्ट वन थिंग, तो वो परफेक्ट विंग लाइन हो जाएगा। देन अंदर का ये जो है ना वो मैं फिल इन करती हूँ। दैट्स वेयर आई फक अप। कभी कभी मैं अंदर का वो फिल इन करती ही नहीं हूँ, एंड दैट मेक्स मी लुक लाइक सम कार्टून। सी, पीठ का वाट लागलं. Okay, now under I'm gonna fill in. Okay. See, I think I'm gonna fill it more. But yeah, I think this is what I'm going for. Now I'm gonna do both the eyes. Okay, liner done. You know what's the worst thing about filming a video right like that with the watch behind that? You guys can exactly see कितना time मुझे लगा. तो मैं fake भी नहीं सकती. मेरे को मेरा 2 second liner हो गया. It actually took me 10 minutes. But is it like, is it matching? Is it matching? Please tell me it's matching in the comments. Like seriously, my camera was also like, मेरा कैमरा का मेमोरी ना बार बार एग्जॉस्ट होता रहता है क्योंकि मैं इतना छपड़ छपड़ करती रहती हूँ और इतना छोटा डब्बा के लिए दे आर चार्जिंग 700 रुपीज़. लाइक व्हाट द फक मैन. बट एनी खत्म भी हो गया. पर थोड़ा बहुत मैंने लिप्टन डाल दिया. आई हैड सीन वन क्रिएटर्स हैक वेयर शी सेज कि लिप्टन डालने का, फिर लिपस्टिक डालने का, फिर लिप ग्लॉस डालने का, तो उससे क्या होता है तुम्हारा लिपस्टिक लिप ग्लॉस जो भी है लॉन्ग लास्टिंग रहता है. लेकिन मैं थोड़ा जानवरों जैसा खाती हूँ. सम पीपल व्हेन दे ईट और ड्रिंक दे आर वेरी केयरफुल. आई एम ट्राइंग टू वर्क ऑन दैट बट आई कांट. आई जस्ट हैक. आई हैव नो etiquettes or something like that, something which I'm working on. I don't know. I'm really happy that even though I was feeling low, I did not cancel the plan, because if you'll have watched my previous video, I spoke about how I feel and how I almost feel like not showing up or going out because of my own thoughts and my inner demons and everything like that. So the fact that even today when I was feeling low, I was feeling ugly, I still was like, you know what, Sonali, just dress up. Because those who feel this, they know that even when they're dressing up, they will try to point out some parts of their face or their body, and they will cry and they will be like, you know what, fuck it, I do not want to dress up. So if you have still dressed up, or if you have still managed to do something despite how you're feeling, kudos, like, you know, bravo. Because kind of मुझे खुद को भी थोड़ा bravo बोलना चाहिए. And that's the purpose of my channel, right? This is a channel, this is a safe space where you guys can speak your mind, or can talk random things, or you know, like even mess up your liner or something like that, and I'm still not going to judge you, and I hope you guys won't judge me. So now this lipstick, the same lipstick, ये थोड़ा हल्का I'm applying, but I really love how it looks. It really complements my skin tone. But yeah, बहुत हल्का, not much. In the meanwhile, just help me guys with something. Should I use these earrings? Like, should I wear this one? Like, oh my god, the only problem is इसका lock खुलता रहता है. Like, as you can see in this video. अरे यार, see, I have zero patience also. My future husband, good luck. See, this is the earring. I'll show you how it is looking. Okay, 1 second. So I just think I'm going to wear this for now. I also thought I will wear a locket or something like that. Let's see. But let me show you my fit in the meanwhile. But I just hope my mirror na today. See, I use this mirror. It's very affordable. I got it from Amazon. Let me know if you want a link to this. Like, you can just carry it anywhere. देखो किधर रखने का, तो you have to just keep it like that. Else just shut it and see it. Now let me show you my fit. नहीं समझ रहा. हाँ, I'm so used to wearing fitted tops that when I wear something which is not so fitted and something very loose, I automatically feel like a weirdo. But yeah, I really like this one. It's like a, whatever the top is called, tie top. I can like open it also, but I'm wearing a bralette and I'm not comfortable with half of my boobs popping out. Okay, and I'm wearing this pant. It's more like an all-in-one pant. You can wear it for gym, for work, for party, or something like that. It's kind of like boot cut. So yeah, let me know if this style is suiting me. If not, I'll feel thoda bad, but I will definitely take your healthy criticism. I'm just trying to find my style. Like, I know a bit of my style, but I also don't know what's working for me. Okay, अब मेरा लिपस्टिक हो गया. मैं इतना क्लोज क्यों आई कैमरा का? See, another insecurity. Now finally, I'm gonna finish my look with this lip gloss, the same one that I applied on my cheeks, and it's making my cheek glow. बस ये लॉक नहीं खुलना चाहिए. Else I really love these earrings. I don't know where I got it from. Did I get it online or offline? Now just this. This gives me a good coverage. शिट, नहीं करना था यार. वो लिपस्टिक जो मैंने उससे पहले डाला था थोड़ा क्रीमी था, फिर वो पूरा ये होता है. वेट, one hack, one of this YouTuber. Is she a YouTuber or a TikToker? Because I think I have not seen her YouTube videos. Why am I saying YouTube? Because I think I saw her reel on Instagram. But after this, like after this 3-step tint, lipstick, and finally lip gloss, she said, line your lips, like use a lip liner. I was always conscious of using a lip liner because someone had told me, that bitch ass of a person, she told me that lip liner is for people who have less plumpy lips. You already have plumpy lips, it will make your lips look like that. She legit made that expression. Beat the shit out of her face. So yeah. I know lip liner पहले डालना चाहिए था. One day I will become a pro in makeup. So this is how I'm looking right now, and I'm liking this look. See, I don't know, I'm repeating it again and again, but the start of the video was just like that. But the power of makeup, the power of dressing up, like you feel so confident. I'm not feeling ugly anymore. Like, you know, I'm still a bit worried if I can carry this top, which is looking like a kaftan cum jacket or I don't know, whatever. But I'm still very happy with the way my makeup has turned out. Like the main thing I always worry is when I like apply foundation and powder, that if it is gonna have this perfect finish, and it is exactly having that. So I'm really happy. And yeah, my hair is hairing today क्योंकि कभी-कभी वो बन जाता है चिड़िया का घोंसला, and I look like Simba from Lion King or Monica Geller, but now I'm looking like Sonali Kotian. But yeah, anyway, that was it for today's video. I feel much better ranting about what I'm feeling to you guys, and the purpose of this video was not just to rant, but also to make people who are feeling whatever I am feeling, you know, something similar, something relatable, more seen and heard. So if you felt more seen and heard, I would say share your story, share what you feel, and what do you do to cope up with that, because it can help me, it can help thousands of others who are feeling something like that, right? And if you don't want to share, even that is fine. Just know that you're loved here, right? And I think I'm speechless right now. I spoke too much and now I am kind of, मेरा social battery dead हो रहा है, मुझे नहीं पता कि क्या बात करना चाहिए. And I think now it's almost 6:30. I had legit told you guys कि मेरा आधी घंटे में हो जाएगा, but I legit took 1 hour. I don't know why I'm saying legit again and again, but yes, that's about it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and yes, I will see you in the next video. I'm not touching my lips because my lip glossy हो जाएगा, but bye.